Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili garlic easy guide. Prep 6 garlic cloves and your favorite chilies, then decide on oil and acid. Use neutral oil and rice vinegar for a bright, balanced hit. Gently cook garlic until golden, add chili flakes, and finish with salt and a squeeze of lime. Cool before bottling and refrigerate for safety while flavors meld for best results. Gather a sharp knife, cutting board, spoon, and a clean jar before you start. Peel and roughly chop garlic, then finely chop chilies or pulse briefly for flakes. Heat oil over low heat and monitor closely so garlic browns slowly without burning. Add chilies and spices after garlic softens, then stir in vinegar and salt. Let cool slightly before transferring to the jar to finish chilling in the fridge. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes cooking easier by playing timers, recipes, and music hands-free while you stir. It fits on a counter without taking much space and brightens the kitchen with crisp sound. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with low heat so garlic releases its sweetness without turning bitter, and keep stirring to avoid hot spots. Add chilies and toast them briefly to unlock oils, then fold in spices and salt to taste. Pour in vinegar last and simmer gently so the acid melds without evaporating. Taste and tweak seasoning, then cool slightly before bottling. This method yields a balanced, versatile chili garlic condiment for many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.